Okay, so we have some sale data, and on the basis of that, we need to do all these things, right? So 1 minute is go. Question one. Okay. Question two. What are the overall sale trend, and which are the top 10 product by sale? Question three. Which are the most selling product? Question four is which are the most preferred ship mode? And question five. Which are the most profitable category and subcategory? These are the question. I think I need to use slash n. I use slash n. Edit. Okay. So these are the some questions you need to answer. Quickly, see how it's going. Okay. So first, what you need to do? You need to import pandas because when you want to import any Excel file, you need to use the pandas, right? Pandas library as PD. The next, I will import numpy as np. The next, what I will be do for data visualization. What library we can use? Matplotlib. Import matplotlib. It is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Matplotlib dot pyplot and type with me pyplot as plt, and you need to for inline means suppose maybe sometime that graph will be go out from your screen, so that's why you need to write this particular line, that is the matplotlib percentage matplotlib uh, inline, that's it, so it will be in line with your screen. Okay.
Sir, हमने खाली import methodology as plotting किया है starting में plot.
But if you use sometime this means okay, and the next okay, we will use seaborn also because seaborn we not use na like last time.
इसमें नहीं किया था but किया था.
हाँ, but इसमें लास्ट में आई थिंक प्लॉटली या मैटप्लॉटली भी यूज किया था, राइट? ओके, so we will see. So these are the library we use, and you know the what is means why we required a individual library. For pandas required for import the data, numpy required for the numerical calculation, matplotlib for the data visualization, and sns also used for the data visualization. Now the next, importing the data. How to import? I think you already imported.
Yes.
So I quickly do that importing part. And what is the import? A df. I just give the name df. And what is pd dot? My file is Excel, right?
Yes.
So okay, I will type Excel and let's see it will work out. And what is the file name?
Superstore
Super
underscore sales.
store. I think I
Superstore है सर फिर underscore sales.
store sales, right?
Yes.
And
Dot.
Excel access. Because this file is actually saved in my pwd, okay, so that's why I able to call directly, okay, that is available in pwd, so that's why I'm able to call directly. 1 minute, it's taking some time to run. So I imported that excel file, and that is available in my pwd present working dictionary, so that is the c user admin, there I saved, so I directly called. Okay. So what is the df? Now I just want to see, this is the df, and you can easily see what are the thing is available in the df. Okay. I just want to see the tail, or you can say head. Okay. So head of the 5 means first 5 I want to see, or first 2 I want to see, suppose. So these are the first two row, and their ship mode, customer name, segment, state, country, market, category. Okay. So these are the column, and now we need to address the question which already I mentioned in the objective, right? Okay. So what is the first step? Means first you need to check, means data is proper available. You need to go through with the data, means throughout the data, right? Like I go through means df.head and I see just what exactly available in the data set, what the thing exactly available. Okay, so now okay, the next, how means I just want to know how many row, how many column in the my data set. So how you can see, already we discussed, right? So what we need to do, df dot shape, and you will get the shape of the your data, means how many rows available. You can see right here how many row available, 51,000. Okay, 51,290 is the row, total row available, and the 21 column there, right? So that is the means description about the data, means I just try to audit the entire data set. Now I want to see what are the column available, so df dot column. Okay, and you can see entire column. So their order id available, order rate, date available, ship date available. So these are the thing. Okay, now I want to identify, okay, which column are the, means the column is available, right? But in column what are the means data set in the category form or type of data set I want to see. So what you need to do, one we already discussed, df.info, it will give the information of the entire data set, right? Okay, so it will give the means order id. So here you can see the info give the entire information of your data set. Okay, so here you can see at 0 0 means the column number 1 in python, everything start with the 0. So here 0 means 1, and order id, there no null value, means non null means there no null value is present. Okay, so entire data set is available, and order id is a object type. Object means you can say string type of data. Okay, the next order date, date is the one type of the format. Okay, so I have not discussed earlier, that's why I gave you this example. Date wala example we not considered till now na? So that's why we taken. And here it will show order date is the date, that is also one feature available. So how to deal with the date, that is the different thing, so that we will discuss today. Ship date, that is also date. Customer name and all things, these are the object. State, country, object means string, right? So all the things, sales, sales in the plot, discount in the plot, and the profit in the plot. Okay, so these are the thing. Plot means that is the in decimal, the value available in the decimal, you can say in short. So now we can do further analysis on our data as to answer our questions. Okay, so before that we should see if there any missing value in our data set. To check there any missing value, there is the one more is null wala command is already I mentioned. Even we identify by use of the data.info, but their separate uh, code or you can say command also available. By use of that you can easily check, right? So already we identified, but you want to see again. Okay, okay, I just want to see the null value present or not. In info already we checked. Okay, I again check df dot is null na, is null, or is num, is null dot sum bracket. Okay, so this will tell you there is no null value, 0 0 0, right? And I just check, okay, 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 so there is no null value, so maybe you can say we no need to drop any feature and all thing, means feature engineering related task actually reduce because all the data is available. And we will see the how to deal with the missing value. Already we discussed in the last session, right? There 70 more than 80% data is missing in the one particular column. So what we did, we drop that particular column. That column we are not considering for our analysis because that is not useful. There are a lot of, means if more than 40% data is missing in any column, that is not useful for us. Okay, if 1%, 2%, 5% is missing value, then we can handle, right? So Okay, now what we need to do? We need to do the some descriptive stats. Okay, descriptive stats. Only one line of the code you need to write. Df.describe, and it will give you the entire idea. Means entire descriptive analytics in one tabular form, right? So okay, we will do that. It will give you the idea about means what is the mean, or you can say average. Okay, as well as it will give the standard deviation. It will give the maximum, minimum, and the number of item fall within the first, second, third percentile. That all the idea it will give. Okay, so what is the code?
Yes, that is
Okay, df dot, and any doubt then please ask me. Huh? I think we already done these things. So df dot describe. Okay, and now you will get all the detail about your data set. So what is the count? The count related to sale quantity means here you can, this is the descriptive stats. Okay, you can see the entire thing about your data set. Is there any missing value with respect to any column? But this you can apply, means by default it will apply on the continuous data, means continuous numerical value, then you can apply. In category you need to do separate analysis, means first you need to give only in the table, means df there only category data available, then it will give you the number count and all detail. Okay, so now here df,
हमको ब्रैकेट क्यों डालना पड़ता है?
this one na,
हाँ,
because it is a function, means it already written inside, means there some code is written inside the python, and when we want to call that particular code which is available inside the python, so you need to use this function describe, and this small bracket basically used for the function. So that is a more technical part actually. Okay, now maybe it is not looking good na. Okay, like here data 20 246.4905881. I want to do this round up by 2. Okay, and by 1 by 2 is okay, I think. So what you need to write? Suppose you need to do round, and use again function, round is the function, and here 2. If I put round 2, then you will get the data till 2 decimal. Okay, even you can put the, if you not put anything means it will consider 1. Okay, any doubt regarding to this? No. Okay, maybe there one more thing I'm not interested to see. I want this sale quantity discount and all thing in the column, and this count mean standard deviation in row. So what I need to do? You need to do, this is the one matrix. Okay, and if I do the transpose, then what happen? The column goes to the row and rows comes to the column. So what you need transpose? Just use capital T, it will transpose. Are you able to understand? Like the very simple thing, huh? User friendly. Python is very user friendly. But just you need to remember the small thing is there. Okay. So this is the entire descriptive. Okay. And in the exam you need to write. Okay. Like what you will be write after this descriptive analysis. Can you tell me? So these are the, okay. This is the descriptive analysis. Okay. And now just try to answer our question. Okay, these are the first you need to do all this thing. Okay, so it will give the idea of entire data set. Is there any null value present? I means is there any column there missing value present? If present, then you need to remove that particular row and all the thing you need to do, right?
yes.
But here all the data is present, so I try to give the answer, try to give answer question number 1. What is the sale trade? Okay, so let's start. And that
हमको
what
तो ग्राफ बनाना पड़ेगा.
we will do. Okay, so first is the question number 1. What is the overall sale trend? And I will put into the comment. Okay, now question means the first point. What means we try to give answer here. Okay, so if you give means question answer means some question is asked, you means in if you visit any company and if you work in any organization, they will give you the data set, and they will ask some question, and by use of that data set, if you able to give the answer, that is nothing but the, you can say, exploratory data analytics. Because as per the client requirement, as per the requirement, you are giving the answer. Okay, that means we are exploring the data.
Yes.
Okay, so now what is the overall sale trend that we try to do? Okay, so first, trend means, what is trend? When the trend word is come, means with respect to the time, you need to identify what is the sales,
Yes.
right? So okay, what is the df? I just try to call the df dot columns first, column, because I want to see. Okay, so this is the thing, and now here order quantity, sales, order date is given. Okay, so df dot order date first I will take. Okay, df, uh df and order date only I want to see. Okay, so this is the order date. Okay, these are the dates. Okay, so we have, this is the, you can say, this value we need to show in the x order date, and sales we need to show in y. Okay, so sales we can easily deal with the sales. Okay, but order date, here date, so how to deal with the date, that is the, means little bit tedious. Okay, so what I need to do, this is the order date, and I want to change, because I don't want to show exact date in the graph, I want to show month wise.
Yes.
Okay, so what I need to do, okay, so here I will apply the lambda function again. Just this is the maybe new for you. Apply, and I think we already done this type of the thing in the last session, na lambda wala part. Okay, that is the, means you need to define a function. So lambda, 1 minute, lambda, and I just take the value x, means just assume that, and x dot, there is a function, means in the time there is the some standard format. Okay, so what I will use, strf time, and I just want what you want, means in the strf, in the pandas. Okay, these are the thing is available strf, I will show you in the google also. So x dot strf time, and I want only year and month. Okay, so first in that particular thing they mention the year. So what I, how to write the year, just see, use percentage y capital Y. Okay, or I think no, small, no, capital Y I think, right. And use percentage small m. This is the format. Okay, so maybe the confusion in your mind, what is the strf type?
And
Huh?
month.
M, month. Okay, so maybe confusion in your mind, what is the strf type? Okay, let's search strf in python, all the answer is available. Okay, so what is the, it is the date time string, means what it is do, actually the thing is it convert, here already given, I means do this as a homework. Okay, so from date time, import date time, and it convert the data strf percentage d. Okay, I will do this just one. Now it is visible. Okay, so now you can see a date time, that type of the thing already available in the pandas library, they already describe, right? And here you can see now dot strf time percentage y, means only year you will get. Okay, if I want to see percentage m, only month you can see. Percentage d, you can see only date. And now you want to see, suppose time is given sometime, hour, minute, second, that also there also you can identify only time and this type of the thing. Okay, so here how to write percentage m, percentage d, percentage y, like that you can extract the data. Okay, so these are the, means we are not only focused on the python, so that's why I'm not going much deep into the python. Okay, we are on the analytics part, so you need to remember something, then you can do easily. Okay, so I now I go to the this file, And what I say in the entire thing, in the entire this order date, x means suppose first row. Just assume that first it will see the first row. It will convert the first row, means in first row these are the thing available. Year is first available. Are you able to see?
Yes.
The next is the month and next is the day. So I want to extract only year and month. Okay. Year to month I want to extract the data.
Yes.
And lambda x to x. What is the x here?
It's
X
first
is the,
and
I just
second.
assume that x initially x is 0
Yes.
and it is continuously changing, okay, till the end. After that it will 1, after second iteration it will 2, 3, like that. So first it will take the 0 row, then first row, then second row, then third row, and convert entire data set. Okay. So if I, okay, I now I need to, after applying this thing, I try to run again this my particular code. Okay. So let's see. And now you can see only date, no, in the date you can see only month and year. Okay. And this particular data set I will change with the df. In df I want to add one more column, and that is nothing but the, you can say, equal to, just wait, what name we can give, month year. Okay. Now in df I want to add. Okay. So month.
So, but if you add DF as it, then it will be given the, that will be the updated one, right? DF.
df already you have na, and now I will run, means it will update in that df. It will add one more column. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
And here double, single, inverted comma, you can use that. Okay, no issue. Double also. Okay. Can I run this? If I run now, let's see what will be the df. This is the df, right? And now in this df, okay, no, it is available when I run last, no, 1 minute. It is already changed. See here, one column is added, month here. Okay. And now you can even, if you not interested to see that order date exact, then you can drop. But my purpose is I want to draw the graph between the month, year, and sale,
Month, year, and
because I'm not in graph, I'm not interested with this exact date, right? So
yes.
that's why I made a new column. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so how to plot the graph?
Not
Plotly you can use, but okay, you can use, but I
plot.
okay, let's see how to. Plotly we need to import again that uh, coupling and all. So we use matplotlib and cborn as mentioned earlier, right?
Yes. See.
Plotly not imported. Okay, you can use, okay, if you want to do then import, but let it be. Now okay, I want to plot. Okay, so what you need to do, okay, df dot plot, or you can write if I use the SNS library. Okay. Mm, I use the plot. Okay,
DF
plt
dot plot.
dot plot. I'm using the matplot. Okay,
Okay.
because matplotlib as a plt I imported, na.
Mm.
So plt dot plot, and I want to draw the graph between df df temp month here. 1 minute. In df which I want to, this df only I want to call, right?
Yes.
That is available already. Okay, I quickly do, because this is the one in the x direction.
Yes.
In y direction, what you want to see? Sales. Okay.
Sales.
So what is the sales column name?
Sales.
Sales.
Sales is given. Okay. So this is the sales. So df, and I will call that particular thing into the capital bracket. Okay, so you have x, you have y, and okay, now directly by default it will take line plot. By default it will take line plot, but it is not looking good. So what I will do, I will change the first I will change the just size. I want to change 1 minute. So it will look good. PLT dot figure, and in that pick size, that is the one function available. You can also change pick size, and if I take 16 and 5, these are the just number, and if I run, how it is look. Okay, but lot of data. No?
And get कॉलर लास्ट टाइम किया था ना जो अपने बोला था जूम करके कॉलर कर सकते हैं था वो हाँ जूम किया था हाँ
Zoom.
वो
So I start that. Why we getting this data? Because they are in the particular. We change date into the month. So in particular this month, there are lot of value they are getting. So that's why it plot like that. Okay. So we need to do a particular month. How much sale that you need to identify. Okay. So first we need to use the group by operation. Okay. So I go and do the group by. Means month wise you need to group the sales data. That is our objective, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the df dot, we need to use group by, so group by, and we need to do group by for what, for
For month, year, and
month
sales.
year and sales. Okay, very good. So month year, I will take directly 1 minute. I don't type. This is the month year. This is the month year. Okay,
Yes.
and this I want to group by with
Sales.
sales. Okay, so how to do the group by month year and with the sales. 1 minute. So here group by with the sales. Okay. So I will take this sales from here directly. Let's see it will work out. Okay. And if I run, so group by is done. Okay. But now how to see this group by is happen? How to see that already I discussed in the last session, right? So you can see the by mean. Okay, dot mean also use can use, and dot sort value ascending pause. Okay, I will use the same command. Okay, now group by is done, but what you want to do, the next group by is done, and you want to identify that particular group. Okay, in month by sales wise, means every month what is what amount of the sale that already
Yes.
in one group now. By but what is the next stage? I want to, I'm not interested now in the mean. Okay, I'm interested into the summation of that entire group, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what I need to write here, what I written mean earlier, I written mean, right, in the here, but what I will write now, dot sum, because I want to do summation, right? Dot sum dot sort value, means now on the basis of the sum I just want to sort the value. Okay, so you can do that, or you can say let it be, this is not used just now, and run.
डॉट
These are
सम
the things.
करके रन करे सर.
डॉट सम ही करो, हमें असेंडिंग से मतलब नहीं है ना, वी
हाँ.
जस्ट वांट टू see the data with respect to the type, that's it.
सर अगर अभी डीएफ करेंगे तो अपडेट हो जाएगा ये.
नो नो नो, डीएफ पे मत करो, इसको
नहीं
हम
नहीं
y है ना, तो
सर
डी
अभी जो डीएफ हम करेंगे तो डीएफ जब कॉल करेंगे तो उसमें अपडेट होगा टेबल में, डेटा में नहीं होगा.
डेटा में नहीं,
एक कॉल देके कर सकते हैं
ये अलग से सेव हुआ ना, उसने बताया एक
हाँ.
मेमोरी, सो इट इज सेव्ड इन फॉर टेम्परेरी, means it is saved in your RAM for temporary time. Okay, so
Yes.
once we go out it is automatically means you can say it is. So I what I will give, this is temporary na, so df temp for y axis, huh? You can give any name. Df temp means it is a sale data na, or you want to write sale, df sale, no issue. Can I run now, and can I put here df sale as a y, and let's see it will work or not. Df underscore sale, and there df sale, what is the df sale that I want to see, just wait, huh? Means what I'm getting into the df sale, I told df sale, and let's see what is the here month here is given, right? And with respective this is the second, and here what you need to do, I need to give the name, month year and second, so I want to call second only. So df call dot I lock, and if I call minus 1, and minus 1 means last call. So what is the thing? Okay, df sale, it will give the error, I know. Let's see, I will play, it will give, you get the graph.
डीएफ से चाह रहे थे कीवर्ड में की एरर में आ रहा है डीएफ
That is you got na, but now what I need to do, I just want one column na, then only I can make. Okay, so what I will do, df dot sale, and now I will do what I can do, in this particular thing I want call minus 1, let's see. Mhm. uh, like that I want to call invalid. Okay, so use this and call what it shows, fixed size is exceed. Okay, multi-index. Okay, indexing related issue. 1 minute. Huh? Now I understood. Just wait. Okay, the point is means you did means group by, right, and you have cell data, but now once you group by na, so there actually number of column is reduced.
यस
Means no, number of row is reduced, right? So what you need to do, I need to assign again 0 1 2 3 indexing. Okay, then it will work. So how to assign, just you need to write a reset. Okay, so suppose assume that this is the sum you already make,
यस
this is a function,
यस
and now I want to assign this particular thing, let it be this particular thing as a one column. So what I will be write, sales, one column, in one column I want to shift all the things. So
यस
what I will be do, sales. Okay, now in the sales what you need to do, again I want to reset the entire index, and that is the temporary df dot sales one table I want to make. Okay, so what is the thing now, just you need to write this particular thing, that's why I'm getting the error, reset underscore index. Okay, and now run, and now we can see what is the thing, you are getting the error. Okay, means what is the point, because I run this particular thing now, again I need to run the df, then I will run again this one, now maybe it will work. Key error, sales already assigned, why I'm getting the error.
सेल्स सर पहले से है ना टेबल में इसीलिए नहीं हो रहा हो
Okay. Okay, no, no, sales is there already, I mentioned किया है ना, and I'm interested in sales ना. Okay, now एक मिनट अभी बात करें.
तो सेल और सेल्स है
हाँ, now it is work. Now you can see ना, month year and इसका sales का sum करना है, and index reset किया है.
मंथ ईयर डॉट सम
Dot sum dot sum of sales. Okay, I'm not using mean here, so sum of sales
dot
dot reset index, because I need to reset the index because row actually now means number of row is less, right? And their already assignment has been done by the Python, that is the 0 1 2 3 something, and now I want to reset that. So just you need to write reset underscore index, and now if I call df sales, so you able to see the both the thing in one, you can say df data frame, and that is the just temporary I use df sales. Okay, and when I call this per, I want this as a y-axis, right? This as a y-axis. Okay, so I will call that only. Let's see.
सर ये मेरा syntax करा है
1 minute.
URL while scanning
Oh, UL means somewhere you miss the some comma and some small bracket something. हाँ, एक मिनट.
हाँ तूने कॉमा में दिया मंथ में जो कॉमा डाला नहीं
कुछ तो नहीं डाला होगा ना.
ये तुझे कॉमा नहीं डाला
ये नहीं डाला होगा ऊपर. So that's why it shows entire thing show maybe red.
यस
हाँ. Now you able to run.
एक
This is the year wise. Okay, you can see. So what is the year wise trend? So you can easily see कि with year, with respective the year, by use of this data you can say with respective the year our sale is continuously growing.
यस
Are you able to see?
यस
yes
Okay, so these are the thing. Even month wise also we draw, and by use of the group function we able to draw the graph between the year and sales. Okay, so this is your first question answer. Okay, the next, what is the second question?
so even that we have to erase that percentage
हम value count करना है
Okay, so which are the top 10 product by sales, and here we are using the product name. Where is the product name? This is the product name and sales. These two column are means considered for to answer this particular question, right? So now, and if you want to deal with the two column, then use the group by. Okay, so grouping product by sales, that is the first thing, and I write here. Okay, let it be grouping product, and when I use the hash means it is a comment. Okay, it will not consider by sales. So I want to group the product by sales. How to do? Very simple, just we did na. So what I will be do product sales, that I will make one thing, and even I will not write that first one. What is the pd dot data? Okay, group by you need to do, so df dot, you have df. Now group by, use df dot group by. Okay, now in group by, on what basis I want to do the group by?
product name and sales
So product name I will pass into the small bracket dot.
here
Okay, dot means no df, in capital bracket you need to use the sales.
okay
But what I want to do with the sales, I
sum
want to do sum, so I will write first sum and then I will use sales. It is okay. While you were out, message book, one from one page. Okay, this is the one book, that is product name, book name. These are the things. Okay, so this is we done the group by use of the two column, that is the product name and sale. And the sale means suppose product name there in the 10 means 10 row which has a same product name, so their sales is given with respect to that product. Now that sale I want to do some,
yes
because I am interested in the selling, right?
sir yes
Okay, so that I done. What I will do?
सर हम अगर अभी अगर इसको define करके
Okay, this is your product sale, and our question is you need to identify the top product on the basis of the sales. What we need to do? This is your data. You have data, but I want to change this data into the data frame, right? Then only I can apply some function. which is applicable in the pandas library. Okay, so I want to change this product sale into the data frame. So how you can change? Here you need to write pd dot data frame. I want to change into the data frame. Okay, data frame means you can say in excel that is the excel in pandas, that is the excel file, you can say like that, for just for the understanding purpose. Okay, so pd dot data frame. Now this will, now let's see, run and see. It is available in tabular format, available in tabular format. And now I can apply my this pandas wala function to identify top 10. Okay, so now how you can identify? So now what I will do, this is the product sale.
So data frame not defined, not defined.
Okay, so I want to do the data. Okay, means sorting of the sales. Okay, or you can see sort value, and on the basis of the sales I want to do the sorting. Okay, and now what is the thing, means it is in ascending or descending. So there is the one thing, when I use the shift tab, you can see sort value by, you need to pass by. Okay, and now let's explore this thing. Okay, what you need to do in place, that is the, that will give you the false, and you can see the this type of the thing. So in place there you need to write true.
True.
Okay, and the one more thing, what is the ascending or descending may be given there. One,
Ascending true दिया है sir.
okay, where it is given?
Starting में दिया है.
Ascending is true.
Yes.
Okay, so I will take this one, ascending true. Already it is true na, so
हाँ,
I,
तो हमको
okay,
खाली true ही लिखना पड़ेगा ना.
but I don't want in the ascending, I want in descending na.
False.
So I want to change that true in, by false.
हाँ,
Okay,
ascending equals false.
that false. Okay, then I will get. Okay, so by default it is taking the true, but I will pass ascending false. Okay, and one more thing, what we need to change, in place true, in place equal to true. Now it is okay. Now can I run? Are you able to understand the code?
Equals true to लिखा sir.
1 minute. In place means I want that value na, and what is the thing is given, only true I want. Let's see, I again use the shift tab, and what is the function it is stating? Where is the in place? In place is boolean false. By default it will consider the false,
Okay.
but I am using the
True.
true. So that's why I'm writing here, because I want that particular value in output. Okay, so let's see. You need to check by use of the sometime shift tab. Okay, what actually function in by default, what the thing is written. And now
Sir मेरा by is not defined है.
क्या हुआ?
By is not defined error आ रहा है.
कैसे आएगा वो? इनसाइड है ना सॉर्ट वैल्यूज में.
इक्वली एक ही बार है, इक्वली
हाँ, एक ही है. Okay, and now, okay, so now I want to check, this is the product sales sorted by, so that is done. Okay, and let it be, suppose if I remove this part and let's see, by false what is the happening, means you will get the data out. Okay, in place means by default it will show you, but I don't want that particular thing, so it's up to you, the product sales you have. And now on the basis of the sort, means on the basis of the sale value you are able to see means first is the Apple smartwatch, then Cisco smartwatch, then is Motorola smartphone. These are the smartphone. I'm sorry, I earlier read smartwatch. Okay, so now I want only top 10. You have a data, and I want only top 10. So what you need to do?
Head. Head निकल.
Head निकालना है ना.
हाँ.
But what? Why I return the, again I'm telling you why I return the in place true, because I want in PD data frame that I want to update. That's why I written in place true. So I need to write again in place true, where it is 1 minute. Okay, control Z. Can I use control Z? In place true. So now are you able to understand means why I written the true?
Yes.
Because I want to update that production sale on the basis of the descending sales. Okay.
Yes.
So now if I call only production sales, so it is updated. 1 minute sales. It is updated.
Yes.
You can see.
Yes.
If I not use the true, then it will not update. In place means in that particular place I want to put updated version.
Yes.
That is the thing. Okay. So now product sale, and what you want to call only top 10. How you can call only top 10?
Right.
Head.
Tail.
Oh,
Head.
you can use head also. There are many methods. Dot head 10. So now top 10 is available.
Yes.
Okay. And one more thing you can do. What you can do by use of the, okay, let it be this at 10. I will put into the comment. And one more way. Can you tell me any another way? Product sales, and I want to call 0 to 10. Okay. So index wala method already we discussed, na? So can I call 0 to 10? Okay, and let's see. 0 to 10 you will get top 10. 0 to 10 means I already discussed, right? In the data frame 0 to 10, the first one it indicate row, the second one is indicate, okay. So the first 0 to 10 it is indicate the row, and when I use the comma and again if I write something, it show it is related to column, right? So that already we discussed
Yes.
initially in the pandas lecture, right? Okay.
Can we have a 10 minutes break?
So which are the most selling product that you need to identify, right? So okay, let's play. Grouping of the means the product by quantity. That is the first step, right?
Yes.
Okay, I write here also grouping of the product by quantity, and quantity is given. Quantity column is given. Quantity. So what you will do for the grouping? Df group by dot group by, and product on the what basis you want to do group by? Product name. 1 minute. Product name. Product. I think name, right? And a product name with quantity. But again, I want to add the quantity.
Yes.
Okay. So dot sum quantity. Okay. What error I'm getting? Quantity. Let's see. What is the error? Quantity. Keyword error. Okay. So what is the thing is given there? Quantity is given. Na? Okay. I take directly this one. Maybe spelling mistake. I don't know. Okay.
The quantity is done.
Now it will work. Okay, the same thing. Now what you will be do? I want to change into the, this is the means not a structure form. So I want to change into the data frame. Means in actual Excel file, right? In general way, and for the understanding we can say like that. So what I will be do?
Not value.
No. I just sort value when I can apply once I have a Excel or pandas type of the data frame, right? So you need to convert pd dot data, right? Pd dot data frame, and what I want to convert this entire thing. right? And what the name can I put? Best selling product. Best selling product. So you the same thing. What you need to do? Best selling product there. What you need to do? You have best selling product. What I will be do? Sort by sort values, and for buy. On what basis I want to do? Buy equal to quantity.
Yes.
Quantity base I want to see na which product is has a maximum. So quantity I will put. Next you have quantity. Next in place true because I want to replace the PD means best selling product variable with the this order
Hmm.
descending order, right?
Yes.
So I need to write in place true. In place equal to true. And one more thing, by default it is ascending true, and I want to do that false because I am interested in descending. Ascending, ascending. Okay. Okay. Now if I run, okay, what is the best selling product that I will see? Best selling product. See, you have Excel file, and on the basis of the quantity in the descending order, you got all the value. I want to see top 10. Use head. Use that means capital bracket, and the row also you can call 0 to 10 on the basis of the index. Both the way you can do. Okay, but most selling means top 10 most selling product you can identify easily by use of this. Okay, so what I can do now, dot head 10 also I can do.
Or you can name it.
uh, huh? So these are the top 10 head, or again this is if you this is just show the head top 10 head, but maybe in some case you want to save this data into the Excel file. So in that case this will not work. What you need to do, best selling product, and what you need to call in that, you need to call top 10 row.
Yes.
So 0 to 10 means
Yes.
0 to 10, top 10. So now you have that top 10, right?
Yes.
And you want to save this, use 2CSV and write down your file name, most selling product, most selling product dot CSV. So it will be available in your PWD, means admin user admin. It is saved. You can see this most selling product CSV file you want to see. Go to your PWD. What is the PWD in my system now? It is a C user admin. I will go to C user admin. What the name I saved, most selling product, right? And what is the name of the file? It is this one, most selling product. It is available in Excel file. These are the most selling. Okay,
Can you
so
repeat the coding again?
1 minute. I will go. So the next question, which is the most preferred ship mode? So this is the DF we have. and now we will call ship mode only. Let's see the ship mode. Ship mode. Okay. Uh, this is the standard class and all, and I will do the value counts. So this is the standard class generally follow. That is the most preferred ship mode. Okay, and I want to plot this. I want to use this thing. What we can. No. Their count plot also available, and I want to visualize this thing. Okay, by use of the graph. So there is the in SNS count plot is available. Okay, so what you need to do, SNS, that is the Seaborn library, right? Is the alias of the Seaborn library. SNS dot, and what you want to do, count plot, count plot, and for count plot you just need to pass x value. So you can pass x is equal to ship mode. X is equal to ship mode. Okay, and what is the data? Data is equal to df. These two things you need to pass. Are you getting my point? So it will show you the count plot. This is the count plot. Now you can see their standard class is most preferred. Okay,
The ship mode.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Data is equal
Now you can see the ship mode and pass the data. What for? What data you want to make this graph? Data is equal to df for df. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So this is the count plot. So maybe you maybe heard about the univariate, multivariate, that type of the thing you heard, na? Univariate analysis. Univariate means in a ship mode only. I want to do in ship mode only means I want to analyze only one variable at a time. So here, what is the one variable? Ship mode. That only I want to analyze. So that's why we can say this is the univariate. Many time multivariate, bivariate, that type of the thing will come. Means you want to assign like we assign two things, na, group by we done.
Yes.
So that is the multivariate.
to this. So it's single. This is for a single individual category you're saying, right?
If you do the analysis for single variable, in means I want to see how many male and female means prefer a product, a particular product. So I'm talking about a particular means category, means male female, that is the one column. So I'm talking about that one variable only. One column means one variable, right? And when you deal with this one variable, that is the independent variable. You aware about that, na?
Hmm.
Means when I talk about the TV, radio, and advertisement on TV, radio, and newspaper, that is the independent. And when I, with respect to what is the sale, that is the dependent, because this that sale depend on these three variables. Okay. So now when I do the analysis, I consider the TV and I try to compare that TV with the dependent sales. It is also come into the univariate because I am talking about a one variable, one independent. Another are the dependent. So I consider that analysis also a univariate analysis. Okay.
Yes.
Question: which are the most profitable category and subcategory? Okay. So we need to do what we need to do.
Group by of subcategory.
Same thing we
Some
need to do.
subtract.
Some. Okay. Category, subcategory. This is two things. Just wait. I want to see the columns.
Profitable category.
Df dot columns. So here category is given,
Subcategory.
subcategory is given.
Yes.
Both these things means category and subcategory means these two column relation means what is the relationship with the profit that I want to identify. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Category, first you need to group by category and subcategory, then again you need to means three column here you need to consider. Are you getting my point? Okay. So what I will be do, let's see. Df dot group by, because more than two column then means more than one means we need to use group by, right? And now in group by, what I will be pass, I want to do group by.
Dot sum.
No, listen. Here's what is the question, category and subcategory. These are the two things,
Yes.
and there is the profit. So group by I want to do on the basis of category
Hmm.
as well as on the basis of
Subcategory.
subcategory. So I want to pass these two things in this small bracket. Are you getting my point? So pass for two things in one this small bracket. So I will use the capital bracket to pass two variable. Earlier we done group by for only one,
Yes.
but you want to do only one na product name. But here two things. One is the what is the where it is category is given. This one category and subcategory. Both the thing I consider here. So both thing I will pass category subcategory. Okay. These are the two things. And now I want to do this group by with respective profit, right? But in profit I want to use sum. Whatever the group is happen, that summation is required, right?
Yes.
Then only I will get the total profit. So sum, use sum function and pass the in capital bracket our profit, this one. Are you able to understand? So this is the thing. Now see, category, you have category, see the output. Category is furniture, subcategory is given, and with respective the what you can say, a profit is given. Profit negative means they are in the loss. Okay, that is the loss. Negative profit means. Here you can see in tables they have loss approx means 64,000. Even you can do a round up also. Okay, dot round and use the two,
Two.
three,
One.
whatever you want. Okay, so this is the means when you want to do the group by use of two column, then how to do that is the example. Okay, so now what is the question, what which are the most profitable category and subcategory? So the same thing, you have the all the data. Now what you will do, change this into the data frame, pd dot data frame. Okay, so this I will be changed into the data frame, and what I will give the name category subcategory. Okay, category subcategory, this is the just I given the name. Now category subcategory subcat category is equal to, no, that I want to do sort by. So sort by or sort values, and I will use sorting on the basis of, on the what basis you want to do by, can you tell me? We done the earlier also, no? So sorting we done by quantity,
Sorting on the basis of profit.
on the basis of profit,
Hmm.
as well as you need to put, but here two thing na. So what I will be do, sorting on the basis of the category and profit, both the thing I will put. Let I will tell you just. Okay, first I will do by equal to what is the given, profit now. Okay, I will take the profit. We done now that type of the thing earlier. Buy is equal to profit. In place true, but I will not do the in place true right now because I just do the try. Okay, see, I want to see what is the output and ascending. Ascending equal to, and let's see what is the output. Technology. Okay, but here technology 2 3 time come na
Yes.
in the output. So can I use profit and category both the thing? So it will look good na. Can I pass category also? Okay, so I just try to pass the category also. Let's see what will be the output. Now see, now it look good now. Huh? As how it is okay in place true. I need to do what? 1 minute. Buy profit and category. It is possible or not? Let's wait. Okay. First, I will consider the category means technology and all. Now it is very means it is look good. Technology, in technology you can see the most profitable category are these things means copier, phone, accessory, and the machines. In office supply, appliance, storage, binder, these are the thing, and with respective profit is given. Okay, and in furniture also all the thing is given. So it's look good. So group by also. So this is the very interesting case because here we done the group by use of the two column, and again we done the sorting by use of two column.
Yes.
So I think your this assignment is solved now, right? We address all the question. Okay. So we will take another case.